Hello everyone, my name is Fauzan Azmi. In this video, I'm here to guide you how to install Minecraft mods in Minecraft Java Edition. Now first of all, there is actually two ways to play Minecraft mods. First, you can use the Minecraft mod launcher that you can find in modroid.com, or you can just find it in codeforce.com using the CodeForce app. The second way is that you can just install it by download the mods manual and just put it in mods folder. In this video, I will tell you the second way to do the manual how to install Minecraft mod manually. Now first of all, you need to install Fabric or Forge first. For this one, I will use Fabric. Now, you just need to go to Google and search Fabric. Now, you found Fabric website and then you can download it. You just click on his button. This download for Windows. If you have any other operating system, I'm sorry that I do not know how to install it, but I will just you can just find other way by using mod launcher. Now then, we back to how to install Fabric first. You just click on here. As you can see, I already download Fabric installer. You see here, we open it. Now, in this one, it will ask you what Minecraft version and what the loader version that you wanna to play. If you want to know what you need, you just have to find the mod first. Okay, then we back to find the mod first. I'm searching the mod in Modroid. For example, the mod that I want to install is Cobblemon. Basically, Cobblemon is just Pokemon, but a better one, if I may say. Now, a note that I want to say that you must always to check the installation of the mods, because there is always gonna be a requirement that the mod it needs to for the mod can be running. For just like this is the example. The Cobblemon mod need a Fabric API, so the mod can run. So we just click on it. We download the API first. For sample for this video, I will just gonna use version 1.20.1. I download it. Then I download the Cobblemon mod. Remember, I use Fabric. So the platform that I choose is Fabric. As you can see here, the game version is 1.20.1. I just download it. Then we wait until the download is done. Now then, the mod is already done to be downloaded, and then you can just go to the folder where you download the mod, like here, these two. You just simply drag it, cut it, or copy. You drag it to the mods folder in your app data roaming.minecraft move folder mods. You just drag it here and you just voila, it's done. Now then, we back to the install. So now that we all know what the Minecraft version that we want to use, we just click here, check his. Oh, and also you gonna need to know what the loader. I recommend you to check again what the loader version that it needs. Can you see the check log? For the usual, I may use 0.16.0. I just click this, create profile yes, ready to install, and I just click install. Oh, this is because I haven't closed my Minecraft, but that's okay. Let's just assume that you already install it and you already manage no error. Okay, so let's just manage you already do all the point where you want to install Fabric and where you want to install the mods. Now then, to use the mod, to use the Fabric, you just open your Minecraft launcher, click on installation, new installation. Let's just make this here Fabric Cobblemon for the name. You choose the version. Here you go. This is the version that we use, Fabric Loader 1.20.1. You click on it. Now, sometimes I want to note that sometimes that when you use mods, it sometimes it more of your specification. So what I want you to do here was to open the more option of the Minecraft again. For the Minecraft launcher, you see here the first one. Now it says here that the RAM that we're gonna use, most of the RAM we're gonna use is 2 GB. So let's just assume you have like 8 to 16. For me is 16, so that's I will use 8 GB. Then I click create, and there we go, there already Fabric Cobblemon. You change to here. Now you want to check if everything is ready, the mods and the Fabric is already 1.20.1. You click play, that's it. Now you're waiting because the Minecraft launcher need to prepare itself. Okay, here you go, Mojang Studios, and you can see here it's running. To check it, we just need to find new game. We create new wall. The Cobblemon. Cobblemon test. Okay, mod creative. It's on because we're gonna need to test it. Create new wall. Okay, we're gonna check if it's ready. You just have to open this. Okay, you can see here that's already page 2, and there you go. Oh, and you can check the starter first by pressing M key. Right, there you go. And that's it. And that is how you to install Minecraft mods with Fabric. That's all. I hope can help you to play more Minecraft and uh, to test any mod that you want to play. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you very much. See you.